In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your client's non-purchased cart contents. Now to do that, we'll go into Photos, Galleries, and we'll click on Views underneath your client gallery. The Views page will show you a list of all of your clients that have logged into this particular gallery. It will also show you whether or not they have items in their cart, how many times they visited, and the number of favorites that they've selected. Since we're interested in viewing their cart contents, we're going to go ahead and click on this little cart icon. And this will show us everything that's in this particular client's shopping cart. If we want to view thumbnail images of the things that are in their cart, we can click this option here, and it'll show us little thumbnails for those items. At the bottom you can see the total, and this will basically give you an idea of what's in your client's cart, and if they have any questions about anything, they can ask you about it before they submit their orders. If you have any questions about viewing your client's cart, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.